blackberries here. All right. All right.
Alana is as
Everybody's
well.
been getting out and about and learning about their natural world an awful lot more lately, so we feel like this is a great time to capitalize on that interest of getting out and about and hiking around. And particularly here in Chesterfield, we're encouraging people to come out for our Bio Blitz that's going to be on Sunday, and looking at Freedsom Town Forest, Pisgah State Forest, Wantasticate, Madame Cherie, all these public places, as well as their own properties, to record what they're seeing using the iNaturalist program. And